Hello, my name is Ram. Welcome to another episode on how to use magit on spacemacs. In this episode, we are going to look at how to create a tag, push the tag to the remote repository, delete the tag from the local and as well as from remote. We are now on the magit status page for the repository. To create the tag, move to the line containing the commit which you want to tag. Press T. If you do not remember, you can press question mark here as well and press T here. Now you should get a pop-up with subcommands for tagging. Press T again here to create the tag. Now let's create a tag with version 0.0.1 and press enter. Press enter again to select the commit. Now let's add another tag, but this time let's create an annotated tag. Move to the line which you want to tag. Press T for tag pop-up menu. Press -A to select the annotated tag. And then you can press T to create the tag. Let's tag this v0.0.2. Press enter to confirm the commit. Annotated tag will ask for a commit message. Let's give a commit message. Version 0.0.2. And now we press Ctrl C to commit it. Now these tags are in local, not in remote. To confirm, let's quickly jump to GitHub page for the repository. Yep, no tags on the repository. Now, let's quickly push all the tags to the GitHub. For this, you can press capital P here, or if you do not remember, press question mark for help. You can press capital P here to get the pop-up menu for push command. Press T here to push all the tags. Let's check GitHub again to verify that our tags has indeed been pushed. Yep, now you can see all the tags in the repository. Now, let's delete the tag. As usual, press T to go to the tags pop-up menu. Press X to delete it. This will show a pop-up menu of all tags in the repository. Select the right tag to delete and press enter. This only removes the tag from local. Let's confirm it, shall we? Let's go to the GitHub. You can still see the tag. To remove it from remote, press T to open the tags pop-up menu and press P to prune it. Press enter to confirm that you needed to prune it from origin. Press Y here to confirm. This will remove the tag from the remote. Let's pop into Chrome to check if we have removed it successfully. Yep, there is now no such tag in the repository. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.